sama muthikiriria mamukinyetie ko
yes
ni undu wa to 1 2 3 gugikia rucine ruo muthi na ngai agatigwo ngai tutwarane uguo nginyarire ciri handa tha 8 kou ni kuo gwitagwo gucanjamuka nie jetagwo Baby Top. A very good morning
baby T.
A very good morning.
Are you still having jet lags?
No,
You should.
why for?
Because the jet lag, yesterday we were having you as a female toppest presenter of the year. That one should still give you jet lags. Yes.
We have it. We shared the jet lag.
Yes.
With the winner who is our listener.
We all have jet lags.
We all have jet lag.
Yes.
And that jet lag
Yes.
has read
Yes.
to the guest
Yes.
who was supposed to be here to have us. Which is still fine.
So he has a jet lag and he is lagging behind.
So we want to hear
Yes.
our winner.
Yes.
Award winner.
Yes.
Our Dr. Wajiko.
Yes.
Today is not Dr. Wajiko.
Yeah.
Dr. Magesha.
Dr. Magesha.
Kondo guku kwina ngoma ni mundu rekirire saini guku. Wow.
The signature.
Wow. Wow. Haya.
Gweciria matirari busy.
He. Leo Dr. Magesha ni agutwita twire atiriri kuikaire atia kuhiana atia na maundu magakorwo me very good and very nice. Karibu sana.
Good to see you. You're looking very, very beautiful.
Thank.
Yeah, I love this top.
Oh, thank.
Uguo ina kaneti uguo.
Yeah. It's breathable.
Yeah, sitagwo breathable.
Nera breathing.
So you can see you. You're looking very, very nice. Na ni otaguo muthikiriria uga. Ona ndona waingira uguo. Tatura machi mefuto haria thi. Ndamenya muthakirie gwiciria Magesha. I was not on the wrong. Ne muthikiriria witu. Good morning.
No tukuigua kana ena igesha. A very good morning and good to see you.
Good to see you too, baby T.
Ni ndi mwega. Ndiracokirie ngai ngatho tondu twi muoyo.
Amen.
Muthikiririe ndakire haha tuigue na kiarairie atia.
Yes.
Atwaririe kuhetukira guku ng'enda-ini.
Yes,
atwaririe ko 20014. Atwaririe silent listener, diaspora fans, mathaa mana makuigua nesa. Karibu sana. Wajiko, good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you looking good for Magesha for yourself.
His memo is not read.
Juijaona kwa TV. Wirudie next.
Vibaya sana.
Tafadhali.
Atutaongea.
Unajua hata nilimwambia venye nilimkuta. Hii koti ya juu anakaa dereva wa safu.
Safari rari.
Ndio.
Anakaa nice sana. Sawa. Inatea. Sasa itatutea sisi wamemerekia.
As always.
As always. Karibu sana. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Very good. Uko tayari kwa show?
Very ready.
Tuharoroke
uguo nginya thaa 8.
Wena igesha kana twambe turehe biru?
Ni ngomuhe Magesha thaa 5.
Wena igesha?
Ndinamo.
Ni ndina igesha. Ria Dr. Magesha uyu ukoragwo guku ng'enda-ini cia FB. Hena mutumia uretwo Shiko Kimani. Araiga ndige kunyua bayo ni rahururukia. Ni ndirenda ekire mbica yake twambe tuone shape yake. Mmoja ndina igesha. Ikira how sweet.
Okato kuone.
Toka baby tu kuone.
To example ile ona da baby
ikare. Tuone nita ambare. Tekera baby.
Tuonyeshe funzo.
Tuonyeshe.
Health advisor.
Okora aikoroka wona comments. Kwa mundu iga kiundu ukahingura. Ugaikoroka ukoga no agaya ira. No agara swiki. No agara stia. Loto. Na sio loto. Tufanye pay bill.
Togwekera maito itangi.
Na ku advice.
Ndigwa moka ga muna matangi mau maroto.
Loto ni loto na sio baby. Yagagetigwe ngai.
Kanyagatigwa rio ngai.
Karibuni.
Asante.
Todi kundirage tarasia kumagara inyu mufagite atia.
Kumagaria.
Gutiga thutha. Why next week Mother's Day?
Asa kanyabu ni edire jino no ukiuga atiriri.
Tago kiaria ai.
Roto ni roto. Ndo ikana roto ujiri horo wa roto. Umeshinda roto. Huteisio.
Nitailana.
tiete no muthi
oi ma mothe tugwetereire riri kai ne thiko twatige ruthiko ithano thie ngai Wajoroge akane gwikira igoti
nä ndäraigua nani nä ndä tå rarä batara ma icio kimi nä ndona ndaiga we tareke ngire ndikerwo nä ndä racinå ra må ndå niä ndä thä inä wa ngai
reke ndä rä kä ra ndaigua rä
nä raigua
ndarigwo no å cio kumbe nä niä
nguo ciendaga rä rä
rekå thiä gwa bäi wa waxingie
ona gä thiaga rä å horo ndå rä hau